kilometers, 40% of South America, spanning across Brazil, Bolivia, Peru, Guyana, Suriname, Ecuador, Colombia, Venezuela, and French Guiana. And it is larger than the next two largest rainforests combined. It's home to more than 30 million people and 1/10 of known species on Earth. Amazon has an extremely diverse ecosystem. There are around 40,000 plant species, 3,000 types of fish, 1,300 types of birds, 430 mammal species, more than 380 species of reptiles, and a whopping 2.5 million different types of insects in the Amazon rainforest. Around 500 indigenous tribes call the Amazon rainforest home. Over 50 of these tribes have never had contact with the outside world. Amazon has more than 390 billion trees. Due to the thickness of its canopy, only 1% of the sunlight makes it to Amazon's ground. And it takes around 10 minutes for the rainwater to reach the ground. The Amazon also transpires about 7 trillion tons of water per year into the atmosphere, recycling 50 to 75% of annual rainfall. Amazon absorbs 2 billion tons of CO2 per year, which is 5% of annual global emissions, and it stores up to 140 billion tons of carbon, making it an essential part of preventing climate change. We rely on Amazon's resources for food and medicines. Hundreds of prescription drugs have come from the Amazon rainforest, and 70% of plants with anti-cancer properties are found in the rainforest. With an area that's this important, we should be protecting it at all costs. But the Amazon faces many threats, including deforestation from poorly planned infrastructure, illegal and unsustainable natural resource extraction, extensive cattle ranching and agricultural expansion, and climate change. It is estimated that over 906,000 hectares of forest have been lost to wildfires in 2019. These fires are often deliberately set as part of slash-and-burn agriculture. Farmers and cattle ranchers cut down and burn forestland to clear it for crops and livestock. If this continues, all the stored-up carbon would be released into the atmosphere and fuel climate change. Both Amazon's forest and freshwater systems are under threat. Rainfall has declined across 69% of the Amazon forest since the year 2000. If the current rate of deforestation continues, 27% of the Amazon will be without trees in 10 years. Amazon has lost 20% of its size in recent years, due to deforestation to construct the Trans-Amazonian Highway. A massive amount of 1.5 acres of vegetation is cleared constantly, for cattle grazing and crop production, every second. Experts predict that the rainfall